Let us solve this example problem number 2. John and Peter are solving 0.6 x minus 3 greater than 0.36 raised to negative x minus 1. So this is an exponential inequality. Did anyone get the correct solution? If not, spot the error. So from the previous picture that's shown, we have the solution written by John and made by Peter. So let's find out whose solution is correct, or if there is no correct solution, let us spot where they had an error. Let's solve this exponential inequality. So the solution, we have 0.6 raised to x minus 3 greater than 0.36 raised to negative x minus 1. So before, we already discussed how to solve an exponential inequality. So just like in exponential equation, we need to make our bases from left side and right side to be the same. So our base to our left side is 0.6, while the base in our right side is 0.36. So if we try to multiply 0.36 to itself, rather 0.6 to itself, that will be equals to 0.36. So 0.6 times 0.6, that is equals to 0.36. Therefore, 0.6 squared is equals to 0.36. So we have 0.6 x raised to x minus 3 greater than 0.6 raised to 2 raised to negative x minus 1. So we have now same basis, which is 0.6. Let's now get the let's try to simplify the exponents we have, since they are the same basis. So we have 0.6 raised to x minus 3 greater than 0.6. So this 2 can be written outside your parentheses. So 2 multiplied by negative x minus 1. So now let's get our exponents. Now we are going to bring down its exponents because they already have the same basis. So we have x minus 3 to our left side, and we have 2 multiplied by negative x minus 1 to the right side. Now the sign should have reverse direction, or we can turn it to its opposite because our base is less than 2 positive 1. So we have less than here. So simplifying our inequality, we have x minus 3 less than negative 2x, because 2 times negative x, that is negative 2x, and 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2. So let's combine similar terms. We have x plus 2x, transposing negative 2x to the left side, we have positive 2x. Then less than negative 3, transpose to the right side, we have positive 3, then minus 2. X plus 2x, that is equals to 3x, less than 3 minus 2, that is positive 1. So dividing both sides by 3, because that is the numerical coefficient of x. So 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So we have x here, and we have x less than 1 over 30. So this is our solution set. So looking back to the solutions of John and Peter, we will observe that Peter got the correct solution and got the correct answer, which is x less than 1 over 30.